Welcome back! In today's video, we're uncovering the easiest way to access your saved content on Reddit. Whether it's a hilarious comment or a post you want to revisit, this quick guide will help you find your saved items in no time. Let's get started. Start by opening the Reddit app or website and signing in. Make sure you're on the latest version to enjoy Reddit's most updated features. Next, head to your profile icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, look for the Saved option and select it. Once you're in the Saved section, you'll see all the posts, comments, and links you bookmarked for later. You can scroll through and revisit any content you found interesting or helpful. And that's it! You've now accessed your Reddit saves. Whether it's for research, laughs, or memories, your saved items are just a click away. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring on Reddit.